This is iTrust running in Chrome. And so we're going to log in as HCP1 or Kelly Doctor. And we're going to search for patient Princess Peach. Go to obstetrics info and show that as an HCP who is not an OBGYN, you cannot create an obstetrics initialization record. So let's log out and log in as OBGYN Catherine Evans. Let's find Princess Peach again. And now we can create a new obstetrics record because we are an OBGYN. And so let's go ahead and initialize Princess Peach. And when we save this, the expected due date and weeks and days pregnant is calculated right here. And so let's add a prior pregnancy as well. Let's add an invalid value. And so if we try to save this, the validator catches that this is negative. So let's fix that. This is vaginal delivery. And save. And so when we go back to obstetrics info page, here we have the initialization record, and here we have a past pregnancy table. And so let's go make an obstetrics office visit. Now, since this patient has a negative blood type, there's a flag, and they need the immune globulin shot. And so let's create a new obstetrics office visit. And let's flag low-lying placenta. And save. And so since this patient is over 37 weeks pregnant, a button pops up with the option to make a childbirth office visit for the next office visit. And here's the date for that. And so let's schedule. And now we can choose the preferred delivery method. And so let's go with vaginal delivery and schedule. And now let's record an ultrasound for Princess Peach. So let's input values. And let's just also show a negative. So if we try to do this, validator catches these incorrect inputs. Now let's fix these, and let's also choose a ultrasound picture to upload. So here's our beautiful ultrasound, and let's save this. Alright, and so here's the obstetrics office visit that we just input. Low-lying placenta, 1 baby. Now let's go document a childbirth office visit. And so here's the scheduled visit that we made from the obstetrics office visit due to the fact that she was over 37 weeks pregnant. So we can select and edit this. Let's give some epidural. And here we can enter delivery information. Vaginal delivery. Female. And when we save this, a new patient is created. And so let's go look for them. So it should have the same last name, Peach, and here is baby Peach. So they inherit some of the demographic information from the mother. Okay, and so let's go back to the mother. And now let's take a look at our labor and delivery report, which compiles all of the information that we've just done. So past pregnancy, estimated due date, here's the O-negative blood type, the obstetrics office visit they had, and due to the negative blood type, they had an RH shot flag, and a low-lying placenta, which we input for. And they also had diabetes as a pre-existing condition. And that's about all.